So guys, welcome to the channel True Jamaican Vibes, Fire Reid. So right now I am in the Fort Charles area. So you're gonna hear some windy sound, is the sound of the sea. So I'm gonna give you a tour from Fort Charles area, go into the Treasure Beach area. I'm telling you what I'm going on. So you can look for a piece of land to buy around here. So it's a farm of investment. So I never said the video kind of lonely, but me I show you how the place set up. Few years from now, Fort Charles to Treasure Beach gonna be a very nice area for chilling out. A lot of people from from different walks of life gonna buy a piece of property around them place, yeah. And the property them kind of very expensive also too. So yeah man, so you can keep on watching your tour guide Fire Reid. True Jamaican Vibes, Fire Reid. So today guys, I'm in St. Elizabeth, one place I'm calling Fort Charles in St. Elizabeth. So thank you all for stopping by on the channel. Yeah man, see it? That is the sea over there. Showing what going on, you know. Enough people know St. Elizabeth. St. Elizabeth is very big. The bread basket. Back in the days, them place here was a #1 attraction. But I don't know what happened because of the sea condition. A lot of people kind of stray from them area because the sea is very rough. So take a tour with me. I'm gonna take you all to close to the Billy's Bay area, which is in the Treasure Beach side. So this place, it may look a bit lonely, right? But few years from now, the place will develop. It's gonna be unbelievable. So I'm giving a tour of the place here so you can know how around here set up. You can search online if you see no property for sale because they're gonna have a big project around here. It's very lonely, close to the sea area. See a sign right up, a sign right up there said private property. A lot of people are buying them property overseas. A lot of people. So I'm telling you, say, if you can jump and get piece, if you don't see any sell online, try get piece of them property. Good investment for you and your family. So take a tour with me with your tour guide Fire Reid and see what this area look like. As I said, it's gonna be lonely at times. So you can indicate where you're watching from. If you learned something about our beautiful island Jamaica, leave in the comment section. have electricity in this area. They have a lot of power cords running through this area. So them start running some pipes, some water pipes in this area. Also, them expand the road so you can have a wider. So it was a bit narrow. So them expand the road. I tell you, say, you see on the left hand side, if you get a piece of property up there, you're gonna get a nice sea view, bird's eye view. So check this place out. And I'm saying I'm heading towards the Treasure Beach area, which is in the Billy's Bay area. Few years from now, you will see how much Airbnb over here. So, see on your left, they might clean down one property over there on your left. So you see when people are cleaning down place, building suits, and so start build. On your right, you can view the seaside. This seaside take you back straight back up into the Treasure Beach area. Nice view. So any investor see this area, want to check it out, they can check it out. Seeing is believing, but Fire Reid has shown you, giving a look of scenic peek on the area, so you have an idea how the place look. Yeah, man. No trespassing. No trespassing. Few people buy out them places already. Very, very expensive. See them places now, them kind of open the road. So it's gonna be a little bit of drive. So I'm not gonna drive at a normal speed because this area is a bit lonely for now. Yeah. If you were sitting beside me in this vehicle today, you would get a breathtaking view of the sea. Very beautiful. Very, very beautiful. So this is from the Fort Charles area, St. Elizabeth, going towards the Billy's Bay, which is in Treasure Beach. Look, you see a lot of work that take place on the road. A lot of work taking place. A lot of rocks being digging up. See right here? I'm going to try to dig off the rock so they can get more space. So when them start to drive them big unit and drop them material around here, they don't have any problem. Yeah man, work can take place around here, so see there. Yeah, see the man them, what you mean? Whole heap of work go on in the area, man. See it there? Man them fix up the place proper. Proper. Seeing is believing, me people. Yeah man, seeing is believing. So good so me take a trip come on the road today. See what I go on. The man them fix up the place proper. Them build some, what them wall in the name again? Some stone wall. See machine I work on the road there too. So me not tell no lie. I wonder if the road block off too. But I don't know if you're in a block off the road and I make me know what I go on. So a lot of work can take place in the area, you know. Yeah, man, see the machine here work too. I tell you what I go on in my paper, I keep on saying that big things are happening around them place here. So pick your spot from early. See machine there. Pick your spot from early. Yeah, man. Manners, bossy. Yeah, man. Place are going nice, man. I tell you what I go on, you know. Good things that me drive come around here, so man. Place go nice. So you know, so them have to build the road first. They say start from water, then put water in the area, run a couple of pipeline. Some place that St. Elizabeth in some corner. We only hear about them places and never get the chance to see it. But as a solo traveler, I'm gonna see a lot of different places in Jamaica. And I take the time out to bring you all with me so you have an understanding of how the place set up. So kindly share the video for me please, because that is how the channel gonna grow, and that is where you're gonna have a form of revenue so I can purchase my coffee and also get some gas on my journey. So like up the video, share the video, free of cost. St. Elizabeth today. Place hot. No dumping allowed. So like the place over by your right named Hopscotch. Until I say place nice, then get a property here so if you buy is like more than for investment. see right here, what is this? Is a Vista private resident, no trespassing, always keep gate closed. So it's a whole heap of private property. Them place a man fi go live and enjoy life. Them place you can have some peace and quiet, you know. Some people build them gate and permit a fence, so you know so them are secure them property. But later days gonna be greater. Also travel with the irrigation hose. And that is also a tourist on the bike right there. So that's one of the investors in Jamaica, you know. On your left, you have the Sandy Rose Villa. Big up yourself, Rasta. Lot of villas in this area, a lot of villas, and people from all about come them area. on your right, you have the Beach Rock Villa. So, welcome to Billy's Bay. So, thank you all for watching the channel. True Jamaican Vibes, Fire Reid right now in the Billy's Bay area.